We're living in the middle of a miracle here in Fond Rouge, Haiti. We give God the glory for the great things He has done since Hurricane Matthew came and devastated this area. We found 180 plus people living inside of caves because they lost their homes, they lost all of their crops, they lost all of their belongings, and the Lord put it upon our hearts at La Bonne Nouvelle in Haiti for Christ Ministries to come up here and to help these people. Through different help of you people that have given in the United States, Love a Child, Danita Estrella, all of our friends, we've all worked together to see not only these people get fed for the last 10 months until this week, we were also able to build 53 completed houses for these people. Not only did we build the houses for these people, but we have been providing them with all the pots, the chaudias, the spoons, all of the things that they need, a set of dishes. We gave them a double bed and a single bed for each house. We've given them all the sheets. We've given them each 2 buckets, 2 basins, 2 cuvette basins here. It is a miracle that God has not only provided all of the things for these people to put in their houses, but it's also a miracle that He has sent rain every week, at least twice a week, for the entire 10 months after Hurricane Matthew. Now these people have all of their gardens are being replenished. I was blessed today as we were coming up here to Fond Rouge to see all the women going to the marketplace with all of their bananas, all of their guavas, all of the crops that have already begun to be harvested here to be able to provide for their needs. Now they can feed themselves because their gardens are plentiful. We're seeing papayas harvested. We're seeing bananas harvested. We're seeing coconuts harvested. There's all kinds of pumpkin patches. All these things are being ready to harvest for this harvest season. We can only give God the glory. We can only give God the praise that God has provided them houses. He's provided them all the things for their houses. And at the same time, He has provided rain so that their gardens can grow, and now they can have a harvest.
Je dis à faire Mathieu 1 an depuis le passé, nous dis monsieur Joël merci en pile parce que journée jeudi a m't'a plan grotte là, journée jeudi a sim nan kay, c'est grâce à monsieur Joël qui fait mandat en kay qu'on y a ma vivre.
Pendant lem te senti m'te gen problème, bot ko gen kay pour me rete et l'on tout monde ba kon habitué à rete lan tout et kabrit qui kon rete lan tout. Quand nous-mêmes nous venons à l'entour, quand nous venons gen kay, me senti fier me venir gen kay, quand y a tout bagay moi me tout bagay meublé la kay, me venir senti on joie cap déborder dans kem.
Mais moi me temps nous de l'eau a prend ba ma vête net la kay moi. Comprendre? Et moi monter me venir Berlin et puis nous dormir en grotte là en bateau roche là et là nous habiter, comprendre? Et ça fait après ça, les pasteur Joël vient ici, il fait tout le monde sortir en bas roche, vous comprendre? Et puis tout nous puis pas accès en bas la kay nous pas manger. Mais grâce bon Dieu, chaque la monsieur Jonas vient nous toujours participer au petit bagage, comprendre? Parce que moi j'ai 7 petites moi gagne.